Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today, I'm going to be reviewing something real quick from Ipsy. See what's inside. I'm not really sure. Ooh, I think this is my June 2021 bag. Okay. And this is how my June bag looks. Isn't that cute? It says have fun, love, peace, rainbows, lashes, lipstick, a happy face, stars, a smooch. Where can you go wrong? It looks beautiful. It looks perfect. It looks like those slam books I remember seeing back in the day. Okay. First thing in here, and this beautiful, lovely, oh, in case, you have to look at the details. Ipsy put their stamp on there. The first thing I see in here is Do You. Fantastic. And it gives me the list of what I have in my bag. Oh, this is from Glam Glow. Do you see that? Nice. And it reads that this is the Glam Glow Super Mud Instant Clearing Treatment Mask. Oh, I can't wait to try that. And I'll put the full price somewhere here. Obviously, this is sample size, but I'm loving it. It's sealed, which is good. I'm just gonna take a little peek. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a charcoal gray color. Let's see. Yep, there it is. You see that? Looks a little runny. It smells like, definitely smells like clay. And it just runs in there. And it's something to remove the impurities in the face and the clogged pores. So I'm all for that. Let's see what else is in here. What's this? And this is from IBY Beauty. This is called Carry On 2 Face Palette Blush in Sunkissed. I've gotten IBY products before, so just open this and see how it looks. The packaging is usually pretty straightforward. Here we go. See that? Lovely right there. And we're gonna open it. Oh, pretty. I like that, especially for this time of the year. And that's the color payoff. I'm just gonna, oh, that's great pigmentation right there. It's a little on the powder side, but I like. It's a definite winner in that category. Love that shade. What's next? Ooh. This is Glow on 5th Beauty. I don't know if you could see that. Glow on 5th is the Rose Gua Sha. Oh, that's the instrument where they used to, get rid of the puffiness and drain the lymphatic fluids that are in your face. I think you, if you are a long-term subscriber to my videos and have come over from my blog, which is on WordPress, I still have it, I'll post it here. My idea regarding all the trendy little knickknacks that they use for the face regarding the whole lymphatic drainage and just, running something on the face to sort of help with the circulation. I just feel these things are kind of gimmicky. I don't know. I think between this and the Jade Roller, which the Jade roller is what I originally wrote on. See, it's a little plastic doodad like this. I don't know if this is made of real jade or rose quartz. I don't know where this got sourced, if at all. So it's just things like this that you have to look up before you use, because you need to know where the materials come from and how the labor is paid or treated. So that's essentially what it looks like. It looks almost like a shark fin, to be quite honest. Yeah. So I don't put too much stock in the whole running, you know, plastic or jade or quartz pieces around my face. I don't know. It's either you like it or you don't, or if it provides something soothing for you, I say, oh, you know, go for it. It's just not for me. What's the next thing in here? This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes. And this is the liquid lipstick mini in Crush. I'm already wearing lipstick though, but I'm so excited to be getting a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I think this is a mini. I don't think this is a full size. Yeah, that's a pretty color. What color is that? Did I just say? Yes. Yes, I did. It's in Crush. It's a very pale pink. Okay. That's the, and it kind of matches. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of matches the blush, which is nice. That's how it looks. Pretty close match. What do you think? Nice, right? Okay. And I don't really have like pinky nudes, so if I wasn't wearing any, I would put some on now, but I'll post probably in a future video that look. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, and this is from Clive or Clive, C-L-I-V. See that? Clive or Clive? Clive? And this is their Max Hyaluronic Propolis Foaming Cleanser. At least some of these. Oh, good. This is sealed, which I greatly appreciate. It does have a slight scent to it. Let's see how it goes on like that. Okay. It's fairly thick. It's on the creamy side, definitely. I like it. Lately I've been into foaming cleansers. Okay, that's what it looks like. You see that there? And then I'm just gonna run it over here and see how well it cleans that area, like so. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Not bad at all. It does have a scent, so if you're not into any fragrances, that may not be for you, but I like it. Okay. I know I got add-ons. Yes. Just want to bring this up. Okay. All right. Ooh, I just dropped one. One's a contour, and the other one's a face brush. Wait, one's a contour and one's for the blush. See how they're double-sided? And they're Farrah brushes. Gotta love them. But these are not exactly the same. You see? I love that fluffy brush. And that's it. I think that's all she wrote. Is there anything else? Wait, one more thing. From Perlice, and this is the matcha green tea. This is the antioxidant priming moisturizer. Ooh, perfect for the summer. Let me just take off that little piece there, which I'm glad that they all have. Let's see. Oh, nice. Goes on fairly easy. There's a scent. I like it. You may not, if you're not into any kind of scents, or if you're super sensitive, but it's a light scent. I like it. It smells good. It smells fresh. And that's it. That's my Glam Bag selection for June 2021 with Ipsy. What did I think? My add-ons with the brushes, gotta love them. They're absolute. I'm loving this foaming cleanser. That's been a kick with me lately with foaming cleansers. Absolutely love them. They tend to help release dirt for me a lot quicker when there's a foaming action involved. The blush and lip perfect match. I can't wait to wear them. Just having that with some skincare and SPF and a hat for your head so you can keep the beams off you. That's all you really need for the summer. And of course, stay hydrated with some water. What do you think? This is a cute little summer bag. I loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you an Ipsy subscriber? Are you an Ipster? Also, let me know in the comments below what you received in your bag. Did you get the same thing or did you get something slightly different? I think there's at least 3 different versions of the base bag that's given out based on your preferences. If you want to change in your bag and you already are an Ipster, all you have to do is just refresh your beauty profile and hopefully you'll get something different the following month if you haven't really been feeling your past couple of bags. Me, I'm fine. The combination of skincare, makeup tools, and lipstick and blush, that's all I need. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me, taking time out of your day to check out this video. And I hope that if you aren't one already, why not hit that subscribe button? Just saying. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Stay safe.